When people say the cloud, it sounds like the internet is one magical place. But actually, the internet is a giant network of networks. Your device, your router, your internet provider, backbone routers, and data centers all work together. First, your laptop or phone connects to a local network. Usually that means your Wi-Fi router. The router does not create the internet. It simply gives your device a path out to your internet service provider. And from there, your request can travel much farther. Now, when you type something like example.com, your browser does not really understand that name. It needs an IP address, so it asks DNS, which works like the internet's address book. DNS translates the domain name into the address of the server. And often, this answer is already cached, so it can happen very fast. Next, your request is not sent as one big piece. It is split into smaller pieces called packets. Each packet carries important information, like where it came from, where it is going, its order number, and the actual data inside. That is how large web pages can travel across many networks. Now the packets begin their journey. Routers look at the destination address and decide the next hop. But here is the interesting part. Not every packet has to take the exact same route. Some can travel one path, while others take another, and they can still be rebuilt later. But what if a packet gets lost? That is where TCP helps. TCP keeps track of the order, checks what arrived, and notices when something is missing. If packet 4 disappears, it can be requested again, so the final data arrives complete and in the correct order. For secure websites, HTTPS adds protection using TLS. Before real data is exchanged, your browser and the server perform a handshake. They agree on secret keys. After that, the content of your connection is encrypted, so people in the middle cannot simply read your messages. Once the secure connection is ready, HTTP does its job. Your browser sends a request, like getindex.html. The server responds with a status code and the files needed for the page. That can include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and more. Finally, the packets return to your device. Your browser receives the pieces, organizes them, and starts building the page. HTML gives the structure, CSS gives the style, JavaScript adds behavior, and then the website appears on your screen. So the internet is not one thing. It is many protocols working together. DNS finds names, IP handles addressing and routing, TCP helps with reliable delivery, TLS protects the content, and HTTP carries web messages, packets, protocols, cooperation. This explanation is based on core internet standards, including RFC documents for DNS, IP, TCP, TLS, and HTTP. Learn the system, not just the screen.